Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I have an unboxing for you today, and I am really excited about it. Quite a few years ago now, it seems like, I was contacted by Naomi from Naomi Crafted, and she asked if she could gift me one of her bags, and I had said yes. And there's a video about it. Like I said, it's from a few years ago. I'll try to find it and I'll link it in the description box down below. But she at the time was doing upcycling of dust jackets. Dust bags, sorry. Dust jackets books. Dust bags. And she had made me a really neat Gucci bag out of a Gucci dust bag. And I really, really liked it, and showed it on a video, and then went on to get a few other items both gifted from her and I purchased from her. And the first item that I purchased, and I'm going to be very very honest about stuff, about what I paid for and what I was gifted, because I just want to be transparent. The next bag that I got, I actually purchased with my own money from her website, and it was this one. And as you can see, it is a kind of like a replica of a Dior bag, made with a Dior dust bag, and it's just gorgeous. It's just really, really, really cute. So I got that, and, oh, I still got all the tags on it yet. I bet you it looks shinier if I take those off like that. I can't believe I've had that on all this time and never took those off, because I have used this bag. Opens up like the Dior's did with the, oh, you can still smell the leather. It smells so good. The flap like that, and then it came with a leather strap. It's just an open bag. And I don't know why, but I love how the hardware sounds on these. And he even has feet, and I really, really liked the bag. Then these, I can't remember if I purchased these or these were gifted. I can't remember. But these are clearly made out of Hermes ribbons and dust bags. They're little pochettes that she makes. I believe these are still on her site now. And then I was gifted this little bowler bag that she made, again, out of an Hermes dust bag. Just opens up. It comes with a strap. It's got a fun red canvas interior. There's a slip pocket and a zipper pocket there. And so that, again, was gifted to me. And because I loved these items, she decided to start doing her own bags. And not just, these are all her own, but not just these with dust bags. She started buying leather and doing leather craft herself. And so when she did that, I definitely wanted to be supportive. So I purchased my own inspired bag. This I got from like Amazon or something, or someone got me before, but I got this done with the silver hardware. She even stamped James Jam on it. And clearly it's an inspired bag, but there are no H, no nothing like that on it. Came with a little lock. The lock is just a lock. It doesn't have like Hermes or anything on it, because these are inspired. They're not, they're not fakes. And this came with a matching interior with a pocket and a zip pocket in here. I don't think that the actual Birkins are like that, but so I had that made from her. And I think it's gorgeous. I picked the color, I picked the style, I picked the size, everything like that. And then she, not too long ago, gifted me this bag. And this bag she gifted me, and there was no expectations with it. She was just giving it to me, wanted to see if I liked it, just wanted to do it because that's just how she is. She is a sweetheart. And this, she put this really fun light green interior. There's a slip pocket. There's a strap. And it's just the cutest little thing. This would be a grab and go, like when I'm going shopping kind of bag. And then she sent this.
Brown box.
Yes. And she had told me, I knew something must be coming because she asked for my address. And so there was no expectation that I had to do this video, nothing like this. I'm doing this because I want to do this. I want to support her. Her craftsmanship is impeccable. I've watched her grow. You know, you could just kind of see through the years. Like I remember my Gucci bag, the interior was a little more unfinished. Let's put it that way. It was all done neatly, but I mean, wow, now her bags are immaculate. So it came in a big box. So this box came in another big box. And I just like to talk about that. So I talk about packaging, what's going to happen if you purchase something from her. Because I will have her linked in the description box down below. And I believe that that code I have is like a 10% off code. But that code is 10% off her website, if I remember correctly. If you do a custom bag, then I don't believe there's any discounts. But her prices are phenomenal. Anyways, they're a fraction of the price. You get to pick your leather, your hardware, everything. Yeah, if you're looking for, especially like kind of Hermes inspired bags, I mean, she's your go-to girl, but I know she can do other things as well. But this came, and so when I opened the box and then this was in there, I figured that it must have been something from her. And I was excited because I opened it up. And this too, this is all new to me. This isn't how things used to be with her. It came in this phenomenal dust bag. So she's got her name, Naomi Crafted, leather atelier, thoughtfully made. And this bag is fantastic. It's probably one of the nicest dust bags I have. It's got like satin drawstring. So it came, and I didn't want to look because I just wanted it to be a surprise. And so I took that out, put it here, and then Mick was standing there, and I did it just like this. I'm like, and I said to Mick, am I going to like it? And he said, I'm not sure. He said, it's more neutral. And then I opened my eyes. And I love it. I absolutely love it. I can't even tell you what color it for sure is. To me, it's kind of a greenish, grayish, tan, khaki. I mean, it is just this beautiful, I believe it's Togo leather, pebbled leather. And I think it works really well with the gold hardware. So it's so funny. I like silver hardware, and I like clearly bright colors. So when Mick saw this, he was kind of like, I don't know. And I love it. I love it. I think I love it so much, especially because I don't have anything like it. And one of the things that draws me, I think, to the brightly colored bags is the fact that you just don't see them around very often. And I like carrying something that I feel like nobody else has. And I feel like nobody else has it because it's kind of out there. Now this doesn't fit that. This to me is like more of a neutral, but oh my gosh. So let's let's take a spin here. Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side. And she makes these from the raw leather. So she does the handles here. She does the glazing. It has the gold hardware here.
Gotta show the bottom yet.
Oh, sorry, the feet. And yeah, the feet have their own protection on them. Get the hardware here. Hardware's nice, substantial. There's this. It's stuffed. Comes with a little clochette and a lock. I hadn't even opened this part yet because I was saving that to do that with everybody. And then the interior is like the other one. It's got, oh, this almost is like a Mysore leather. It almost feels like. And it's got the slip pocket and then the zipper pocket inside. And otherwise it's just a nice big open space. But so now I have two like this. And they're super happy little sisters. They were not... If you guys like the White Christmas, you'll know what I'm talking about. Or what I'm singing about. But I just think this is just phenomenal. So now I'm thinking to myself, like, what other color leather bag do I want? Because maybe I'll have to purchase another one. She just has beautiful stuff on the site. I'm just super excited. I mean, the craftsmanship is phenomenal. I mean, like I've stitched bags together now, so I know how it is to stitch a bag together and what's all involved, and I enjoy it. But I like stitching and sewing and stuff. But just the thought of how much time and effort and craftsmanship goes into these, I just think it's phenomenal. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys that. I'm really excited about this new bag. And so I'll have Naomi listed down in the description box, like I said. Yeah, you can contact her and she can do like, she even can take canvas from another bag, like a Louis Vuitton bag, and remake it into a brand new piece, either the same as it was and maybe replace the leather, the vachetta, or maybe you have a bag that has the light colored vachetta on it from Louis Vuitton and you want black, or a darker color. She can do that. I mean, she's just, her work is phenomenal. It's really been fun to see her grow from a small shop. She's still a small shop, but just got more and more tools, more and more experience. And yeah, I mean, like, everything's so nice now. I mean, like, the packaging, the dust bag, the protection, because like I said, this was in another box. And this box was wrapped in foam and stuff. So this box was protected in the box that it came in. So you're not going to have to worry about that. And I didn't have to pay any tariffs or anything like that. I don't know how she works it. If she has somebody in the States and she sends like a bulk load of them to and they ship it out, or how that works. But I hadn't had to pay any tariffs or anything. And yeah, I am just floored. So she's a beaut, Clark. Yeah, I like this. I know Eva had one made and she had the handles made a little bit bigger for her here. But I mean, I'm a big girl and I still can get my hand through there if I want to. And I found that I really like to top handle carry bags. Even my ones now with the, like, a shoulder strap, a lot of times I'll hold it up and just hold them like this. So there you have it. There's my newest bag. So very excited to show that. Yeah, so follow the link down in my description box down below. Check out Naomi Crafted. I don't think you'll be sorry. I think that's everything I have for today. So if you like this video, or even if you don't, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary handbags and small leather goods. Every once in a while, I'll throw something else in there that's my jam. I do put out bag swap videos on Mondays where I swap out of my current bag, go in my new bag, and give you a little information about both bags, and I switch out all my small leather goods and talk about those. Occasionally, a video will come up on a Thursday, and it'll be a book-related video where I speak about books I've been reading, want to read. I usually have a big book haul and usually talk about books in some way, shape, or form. Those come out occasionally on Thursdays. Got a lot of fun stuff coming up. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's just JAME_S_Jam. My next video is going to be an unboxing of some stuff that, oh my gosh, if you guys don't follow Kevin Allen, he is back. He had
Is
a
he
channel.
like a Backstreet Boy?
Yeah. He had a channel and he was posting on it pretty frequently, and then he stopped like over a year ago. Was it a year or 2 years ago? And he's back. I met Kevin. I met him in person.
I met Kevin.
Yeah, you did, in Tennessee. He's the coolest guy. So
is that Hard Rock?
Yeah, at Hard Rock. Yep. I'm gonna link him down in the description box down below as well. Check out his channel if you haven't already. He's just fun. He's likes luxury items. Just unboxed a Louis Vuitton item. He likes cologne too, so I like that. And
Cologne?
Yeah, Cologne. So yeah, check him out if you haven't already. Subscribe to him if you haven't already. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
So we got Charlie Brown, Woodstock, Snoopy, Lucy, Linus, Peppermint Patty, Sally on the end. I don't know the second to the end. Is that Marcia?
I think that's her name.
Okay. Wasn't sure. I mean, I've spent the whole 17 minutes pondering that, so.
Okay.
All right. That's it.
Marcia.
That's all for now.
Okay.